first official time run. Go ahead. Start in 2 seconds. Shut the volume off and post the video plus 10. I'm going to give you just 110 for that one, Dallas. Cheating. Call that a plus 10. I've lost track. That really hard transfer that could probably use a rock or something in there. I have to get something else in there. Well, that was your own fault.
Yeah, I can pay attention more.
Rough driving today, Dallas. Hey, if you can get through it on 3 tires. Oh man, don't go off yet, don't go off yet. Okay.
I gotta jump it.
Oh, we didn't have enough board off to teeter-totter. Who changed that?
I think just ended up sliding.
Let's go ahead and make another
Hit with it.
attempt at that. Everybody deserves a fair teeter-totter. There it is. All right, now for the hardest part of the track. Dallas, am I in your way? Coming too far this way. Oh, saved it. Easy, back towards the house a little bit. Here, Dallas, go ahead and come in front. And that is it. Oh. And that is it, our resident driver today, Dallas.